What if you could get a rugged, feature-packed smartwatch without dropping $1,000 on it? Well, that's what we're diving into today as we compare two standout options, the Amazfit T-Rex 3 and the Apple Watch Ultra 2. Both are made for adventure lovers, but the price tags couldn't be more different. So, does spending less on the T-Rex 3 mean you're missing out, or is the Apple Watch Ultra 2 worth the splurge? Let's break it down and find out which one is the best fit for you. Starting with the design, both watches are built to take a beating, but they go about it in different ways. The Amazfit T-Rex 3 features an octagon-shaped design that feels rugged yet practical. It has a metal bezel, Gorilla Glass, and is dive certified down to 100 meters. It's a solid build at just $280, but it's not the prettiest at first glance. It's more functional than flashy. On the flip side, the Apple Watch Ultra 2 is all about that premium feel. Made from titanium with a sapphire glass display, this thing feels like a tank, but in the most elegant way possible. It's water resistant, up to 100 meters, and is designed for extreme conditions, whether you're diving, climbing, or just going about your day. But all that luxury comes at a cost, around $799. When it comes to the display, both watches deliver brightness and clarity, but with some differences. The Amazfit T-Rex 3 sports a 1.5-inch AMOLED display that's bright, sharp, and easy to read even in direct sunlight. It can reach up to 2000 nits of brightness, which is impressive, especially at its price point. The Apple Watch Ultra 2, though, kicks it up a notch with its 3000 nit Retina display. It's not just about brightness, though. Apple's Retina screens are known for their color accuracy and sharpness, giving it a slightly more polished look than the T-Rex 3. Plus, with the larger screen and more intuitive touch interface, navigating through apps feels smoother. Let's talk about what these watches can actually do. The Amazfit T-Rex 3 is no slouch when it comes to features. It has 170 sport modes, a built-in compass, barometric altimeter, heart rate monitor, and supports external sensors like power meters and heart straps. It's even dive certified and can track activities down to 100 meters underwater. Plus, it syncs with the Zepp app, which is easy to use and gives you all the stats you need from sleep tracking to running metrics. The Apple Watch Ultra 2, however, packs even more into its small frame. It's not only dive certified to a depth of 100 meters, but also includes advanced health sensors like ECG, blood oxygen monitoring, and even crash detection. Apple's integration with their ecosystem means you can also use Siri, reply to messages, and access your entire library of apps seamlessly. For fitness fanatics, Apple Fitness Plus and its robust workout tracking make the Ultra 2 hard to beat. Now, if battery life is a priority, the Amazfit T-Rex 3 blows the Apple Watch Ultra 2 out of the water. You can get up to 27 days of typical use on a single charge with the T-Rex 3, which is perfect for long adventures or just people who don't want to charge their watch every night. Even with GPS mode, it can last up to 180 hours, which is ideal for ultra runners or multi-day hikes. In comparison, the Apple Watch Ultra 2 offers around 36 hours on a single charge, or up to 72 hours with low power settings. That's decent, but if you're planning to be off the grid for a while, you might want to keep that charger handy. Performance-wise, both watches are fast and responsive. The Amazfit T-Rex 3 has a surprisingly smooth user interface, especially for a budget-friendly option. It doesn't lag and offers quick access to all your fitness and wellness data. Apple, of course, takes it a step further with the Ultra 2. Its snappy performance, combined with the ability to sync across all your Apple devices, gives it a more seamless feel. Whether you're checking emails, controlling music, or making a call, it's all done effortlessly with the Apple Watch Ultra 2. So, which one is for you? Well, it depends on what you need. The Amazfit T-Rex 3 offers incredible value for the price. With its rugged build, solid battery life, and extensive fitness features, it's a fantastic choice for anyone looking for a durable adventure watch without breaking the bank. On the other hand, if you're deeply invested in the Apple ecosystem or want the absolute best in terms of design, health features, and seamless integration, the Apple Watch Ultra 2 is tough to beat. It's expensive, but for many, the added features and luxury feel are worth the price. In the end, both watches are great options, but the real question is, how much are you willing to spend for those extra features? If you're on a budget, the Amazfit T-Rex 3 gives you a lot of bang for your buck. But if you want the full premium experience, the Apple Watch Ultra 2 is where it's at. That's it for today's comparison. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to hit that thumbs up and subscribe for more tech content. See you in the next one.